Hey, how's it going? So, you might be wondering why I'm saying that website SEO sucks, but I'm going to make you this video to show you why. So, we're on Google. I'm going to pretend that I'm looking for a house cleaning business in New York. So, I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to type in this keyword here, house cleaning New York, and this is what pops up. So, first of all, Google has added these, which are the Google guaranteed ads. Next up is the Google search ads, which are all of these here. I'll just move myself out of the way. And then next up is the Google My Business listings. So you have to beat these people as well. So this person here has 531, nearly 5-star reviews. Then next up is 144, and then 93. And then you finally have your website SEO. So is someone really going to come on and skip past all of this, skip past the search ads, skip past the Google My Business listings, and then go to this? I reckon that if you're not here or here or here or here, if you're not on the first half of the first page of Google, you are basically wasting your time. And that's why I think website SEO, it's getting worse and worse by the year, because Google just keeps bringing out these new things and it just keeps getting pushed down and pushed down and pushed down. Before it used to be just the search ads. Now they have the guaranteed. Now they have the Google My Business listings. And the website SEO just keeps getting further and further down. And this basically is Google just wants to make more money, really. They're bringing out these and bringing out search ads. The search ads are even getting bigger. I know this one here isn't taking up a lot of space, but sometimes you come on, they're adding pictures now into the search ads. You can add more links into the search ads. They're just taking up more space over and over. So this is basically what I think of website SEO.